This is Wesley billion dollar virgin. Let's go. Listen, take out your iPhone right now or your Galaxy phone. In this video, I'm going to show you right now live how to use your phone. And all you need to do is unlock the screen. Here, you see this? If I unlock it, you get paid. This technique here works with iPhone. It works with Galaxy here. So listen, pay close attention here. And thank you for subbing to the channel. Thank you for your likes. And listen, don't smash the like button until I give you massive value. What I'm going to show you in this video here is how to use your iPhone or your Galaxy phone or iOS or whatever to unlock it and get paid over and over again. Like, think about this. Let me show you something here, okay? That's going to absolutely blow your mind here. There's a website, okay, that allows you to basically unlock it and you get paid. Now, listen, I know some of you make bullshit, right? Okay, check it out. If I show you exactly how this is done, all I want you to do is this. Smash the like button, show me some love, and sub to the channel, okay? Look at this. Here's the site right here. Proof. You turn swipes and taps into cash. It's $5 every single time. Now, listen. It is not super simple, okay? I want to be honest with you. The hardest part of this process, because I know you might say, well, Wesley, you always make it look so easy. For the first time ever in my YouTube channel, it's not simple. The tough part is actually getting the app on the phone. But once you have the app, every time you unlock it and swipe, you make tons of freaking money. I'm not saying it's going to buy you a Lamborghini, but listen, it might be able to pay some gas, buy you a couple of meals. But the great thing about it, you're already doing it. Like, people unlock their phones 70 to 100 times per day here. So open up your mind and just follow me. So I want to get right into it here. This app is basically, it's just going to allow you, you're going to make coins, you're going to make money just by unlocking the phone, by swiping, right, and by interacting on what I'm showing you here. But the first thing I want to do is, let's get this out of the way. Let me show you how to install it. Now, listen, it's important. Look at me. It's important to pay close attention, okay? Follow me. Because if you don't do this right, you're going to swipe, you're going to make $0. And most people never make money because they just don't pay attention. You're too impatient. So slow down and watch how I do this, okay? And take a screenshot of this shot. You see this? Download Moose Cash. Moose Cash is basically the app here. Okay, you see right here? See if I can show you here. Moose Cash is the app that you need to put right now on your computer, okay? On your iPhone and your Galaxy phone, Moose Cash. But you just can't go to freaking moocash, okay, .com and installing your app here, okay? You need to go here, okay? I'm going to put this site below, which are the instructions to put it on your iOS or your Galaxy phone device here. Because if you look here, if you scroll all the way down, okay, can you guys see this here? Let me maximize this. If you scroll all the way down here, okay, you see that? Mojoy, Google Play, App Store, the browser here. It's going to allow you to make money unlocking your phone, swiping, and shopping if you're a person that shops using your phone here, okay? But it has to be tracked properly. All right, so I'm going to go back here. So listen, step one. Look at here. Let me move my big head out the way. Smash the like button if you love my big head. Let's get it. Look. All right, sorry to keep you waiting, blah, blah, blah. First step, write this down. Log into your Apple ID at developer.apple.com. It's important. Go to that site and log into your Apple ID. This is just for the iPhone users first, okay? My Galaxy users, you're going to use the Google Play Store, okay? Then, once you go there, you're going to download what is called Cydia Impactor. It's important because they got to get tracked, right? So every time you unlock your screen, imagine doing that like 10 times a day. That's like $50 because this site pays you like $5 every time you unlock it. They show your advertisement. If you engage, boom, you get paid, right? You're already doing this anyway. Look at me. You're doing this anyway. So why not get paid in the process so you don't have to work a job ever, okay? Then once you do that, listen, It's going to be a file that's going to be downloaded to your laptop, to your Macintosh, or your Windows. You want to download the Moodcash iOS, okay? When you download that, you need to unpackage that on your laptop. Then what you want to do is connect your iOS device to your PC with a USB cable, okay? Get a USB cable, the same cable you use to charge your freaking phone. Plug it into your laptop, plug it into your phone, and then you want to go to Settings, General, Profiles, Device Management, and locate the certificate for the Impactor app. Click Trust, okay? It's just like clicking like. Click Trust. That's it. Once you do that, you go back to your home screen. Every developer account can install a max of 3 apps and expires after 7 days. So repeat the same step every 7 days. So listen, every 7 days, yeah, that's the tough part. You got to do this, but it doesn't matter. Because remember, you're going to get paid every time they unlock the phone, right? And it's going to pay you over and over and over again using a site called Moodcash. And it's the same thing you do with the Google Play Store, okay? You got it? Now, how many of you can do that? All right? Just put the Moodcash on your iPhone, on your Galaxy phone, and make money. Now, listen. I know what you guys thinking. That's easy, Wes. But what if it was a way that you can create an app in 5 minutes and you can not just download it to your phone, download it to other people's phone, and now you become the millionaire instead of using Moodcash? Listen, a lot of you believe that recording and creating apps are very difficult, right? The world wants you to believe that, right? I can't be a coder. I can't code. I can't do that type of, I can't create an app. Listen, what if there was a software and an opportunity for you to create an app having no skill, no knowledge, and in minutes it will create a done-for-you app you can download to your phone, to everybody else's phone, and you become the millionaire instead of making other people money? What if there's a way that you don't have to study any books, you don't have to go to school, you don't have to be a software engineer, and you'll make tons of money by creating an app using a very, very strategic artificial intelligence software that does it for you? Well, guess what? Look in the description below. Today is your birthday, okay? Because that app truly exists. Now listen, this app basically does it for you. It creates these done-for-you apps for, even I use this stuff, right? I have apps that I've created. I'm not a coder. I don't understand Java. I know how to drink coffee. But I use this software here, if you look in the description below, and it allows me to create apps in 5 to 7 minutes. I can disseminate to my customers. I can sell it. I can advertise. I can do whatever I want. And what it does is it generates money for me on autopilot. Listen, I know some of you might say, well, that's hard. It's not. Technology has changed the game. You're either going to be ahead of the game or you're going to be left behind. If you're trying to get in front of the ball, I want you to do this. In the description below, there's a link. This app usually costs $1,000 a month to get involved with. It's $1,000 a month. And I know some of you may say, I can do it. And some of you like, Wesley, you're crazy as hell. But listen up here. What I want to do, okay, I've already talked to the app coder. I've already talked to the guy that created the actual app that I'm using right here. For 10 people right now that's watching this video, that's looking to transform their life financially, leave their job, quit school, do whatever you want to do. Maybe you want to take care of your parents. Maybe you want to put your kids in private school. I don't know. But if that's what you're looking for the first 10 people, you don't have to pay $1,000. You don't have to pay $100. $17. Yeah, crazy, right? $17 for 10 people who are motivated, who are dedicated, who are consistent and committed. Now listen, if you're lazy, don't click the link below. If you're looking to get rich tomorrow morning, do not click the link below. There's a little work in the beginning, but like I said, these apps here, these done for you coded apps here creates these things immediately. So just like Moodcash, that guy's making $100 million with this software. Even if you made $1 million, imagine making $1 million by spending $17. That's what it is. $17 right now. If you 1 in 10 and you create your first app, you'll be excited because you have an app that you can give to other people, your friends, and every time they use the app, just like Moodcash, You get paid for 10 people right now. I do 10 people per month. I already talked to the coder. I already talked to the app developer. If you look in my description under this video, you'll see it says, do it for me, private sale. And it's yours to have right now. 17 bucks can potentially turn you into a 6 or 7 figure earner. I don't know if this is right for you, but I want to give you the opportunity to get in right now. Now listen, if you click that link below and it's $1,000, that means you're too late. It's worth more. But if you're looking to get in now early to get your first app that is done for you, you code it how you want to code it based off the application that does it for you. And picture money coming into your bank account every time people are engaging in your app, not somebody else's app. This is called wealth. Click the link below. If you're one of the first 10, it's 17 bucks. If you're person 11, it's $1,000. I love you. I appreciate you. If you got any value, smash the like button. Sub to the channel. I'll see you tomorrow. This is Wesley, billion dollar virgin. Let's go. Later.